Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an Active Directory domain controller for the domain could not be contacted. Ensure the domain name is typed correctly. If the name is correct, click details for troubleshooting information. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by to Category View, and then select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. And then underneath Internet, select the hyperlink for whatever connection type is listed here. So go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, and then parentheses TCP/IPv4. And you want to select the Properties button again. And you want to make sure underneath, use the following IP address. You want to make sure that the IP address, subnet, mask, default gateway, as well as the preferred and alternate DNS servers are all the correct values. That is certainly a potential reason for your issue here. And if you're still having a problem, you can always just set back to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server address automatically. And that would just, basically, get you back on an automatic network setting profile here, which you're welcome to do. So just want to put out two different potential workarounds for you. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and select OK and close out of here. And I usually do suggest restarting your computer, so go ahead and do that. And there you go, guys. So hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.